Hello YouTube, how are you? What a crazy 2 weeks I'm having today. Yeah, what a crazy 2 weeks. First we have that earthquake. Now we have Hurricane Irene, at my front door. Or side door, I should say. See, take a look out here, and here's Hurricane Irene. I know you guys seen this picture more than one. See, right now we're in a small hold on, don't want my cat to get out. Right now we're just in between swalls, I think. So right now the rain is steady and coming down very slowly. Now let's go take a look at the radar, shall we? Alright, there's ultimate Doppler radar, as you can see. Let's zoom in. I hate this camera. Alright, zoom in. See Philadelphia at the top of the screen? That's where I am. And let's see if I get my finger in here. Right there is the eye. It made landfall at North Carolina. And we got a band coming up to Philadelphia. That is Hurricane Irene. Now, as we go upstairs, I can show you. Another live. This one's a live Doppler radar right here. Here's live Doppler radar. Okay. See that white line going around? That's the live radar sweep. As you can see, the rain that's on the radar is pretty steady right now. We got light green at Cape May. Got some moderate rain in Cape May. Over in Delaware, I think. Is that Delaware or the Delaware Bay? I can't tell. But Cape May, Seaside, Atlantic City, they're doing fine right now. Because they're in this steady, moderate rain. So, I did it again, zoomed in on my face. Alright, so, for the next couple of days, I'm going to have a lot of upload. I'm going to be uploading a lot because of Hurricane Irene. Alright guys, once the crazy Mother Nature stuff dies down, I'll be up to uploading videos once a week like I was a couple weeks ago. Alright, take care. I'm going to do my best to stay safe in this hurricane. Alright, Ben Wessler out. Have a good day, everybody. I'll see you probably in the next half hour. Or next 5 minutes. Alright? See ya. Bye-bye for now.